Stuff you actually need, part 28. I've worn glasses for over 20 years, and using this has been the best way I've seen to clean your glasses. I found this on Amazon, and all you do is take off the top, and then put both sides around the lenses of the glasses. It seriously cleans so well, it only takes a couple of seconds, and it's so satisfying. Stuff you actually need, part 19. I've always hated straining things. I don't know why, but I just do. So I got this strainer from Amazon. All you do is clip it to the side of your pot and then pour. I love this thing. Stuff you actually need, part 12. This is my solar powered collapsible lantern. There's 3 different settings that will make this thing last up to 35 hours after a full charge. And there's even a micro USB on the back that you can use as a different way to charge it. This thing only weighs 3 ounces, so it's perfect for camping or just using around the house. And it actually gets so bright. Stuff you actually need, part 5. I found this knife on Amazon, and it's basically the ultimate pizza cutter, but for everything. Toast, easy. Tortilla, easy. Granola bar, easy. Celery, easy. Ramen noodles. That really was so easy. Stuff you actually need, part 44. This right here is my Scruffie, and it is the best way I've seen to shave the back of your neck by yourself. All you do is find your starting point and then start shaving down. It's a super clean and even shave every single time, and yes, I know it looks like it's out of the movie Saw, but it works. Stuff you actually need, part 42. These are my gourmet reusable sandwich and snack bags. They come in a pack of 3 and have so many fun colors and designs. These are eco-friendly, kid-friendly, food-safe, and you can clean up in a dishwasher. These can help us do our part in not using so much plastic, and honestly, they look pretty cool. Stuff you actually need, part 35. These are my nested measuring cups, and honestly, the cutest measuring cups I've ever seen. When you open them up, you've got every size you need from 1 cup to 1/4 cup, and they all fit into each other, so it's hardly taking up any space. These are just so genius and so adorable. Stuff you actually need, part 31. My wife and I have had this old dresser for a while now, and we really needed to change it up. So instead of getting a new one, we got these golden knobs off of Amazon. Now it looks brand new, we like it way more, and I didn't have to spend 500 bucks. Stuff you actually need, part 29. These are my sock monsters, and they make it so much easier to keep your socks together while going through the laundry. All you have to do is put it around both socks, and then throw them in the washer and dryer. Now you'll never have to find the other pair to your sock again. Trying to find the other pair to your sock is the worst. Most of the time, I never even find it. Stuff you actually need, part 20. This is my portable air cooler fan, and it has been a lifesaver this summer. All you do is fill it up with water and then turn it on. It only takes about 30 seconds to cool down, and there's 2 different modes. Air conditioner and then humidifier. Charge it up with a micro USB, so it's rechargeable and it'll last for a really long time on a full charge. It comes in 2 different colors, yellow and white, and check this out. Pretty neat. Stuff you actually need, part 17. You know how in movies they always show how kids are like super messy and they draw on the walls and get food everywhere? Well, that's true. That's why we got this cognitive letters mat. It comes with markers, paintbrushes, and stamps that you just fill up with water. Then my daughter can draw all over this thing without getting marker all over the wall, over our white couch, on our rug. Even I like to play with this thing. See how good my art is? Stuff you actually need, part 15. My friend just graduated from culinary school and he loves this thing. It's my silicone garlic peeler. And all you do is grab your garlic clove, put it inside, then push down and roll. Now, no more stinky garlic fingers. Stuff you actually need, part 7. My wife and I love chips, so we picked this up off of Amazon, and it has been a game changer. Whenever you need to seal something up, you just grab this, put it along the side, drag it across, battery powered, it doesn't need to heat up, and then it's sealed. Like, I don't even understand how it works. Stuff you actually need, part 6. Okay, so this is one of those infinity matches that I saw a billion ads for like a week ago on TikTok. Finally broke down and bought it, mainly because it's pretty cool, but also I just think it's something that everybody should have. It's good for survival if you ever need it. It lights up pretty easy. It won't go out if it's windy. Plus, you'll never have to buy matches again. That's positive. Stuff you actually need, part 4. I actually stopped making boiled eggs just because they were so hard to peel until I found this on Amazon. All you do is put an egg in this, put in a little bit of water, snap the lid on there, and then shake it up. Look how easy that peels off. Stuff you actually need, part 43. This is my perfect shirt folder that I found on Amazon, and it makes you fold shirts like a champ every time. All you do is open it up, place your shirt down like this and fold the sleeves in, flip the left side, now the right side, grab the one at the bottom and flip it up. You can fold dress shirts, long sleeve shirts, and even regular t-shirts, and it's perfect every single time. Stuff you actually need, part 41. This is my Shin electric toothbrush that uses the best sonic technology I've ever seen at such a good price. It has 4 different modes with 5 different intensity settings, and you can choose between 3 brush heads that focus on whitening, anti-plaque, and gum care. Shin has a subscription-based toothbrush service that is only $5 every 3 months. And the toothbrush itself is well worth $100, but you can get it for $45 on Shin.com or Amazon. Just look at this thing. It's like a freaking robot is brushing your teeth. Stuff you actually need, part 40. This is my shiatsu electric foot massager that I got off Amazon. It has 3 different settings for heat and intensity, and the airbag technology honestly just gives you the compression that most hands can't do. This thing has given me the best foot massage of my life. And now I'm a way happier person. Stuff you actually need, part 30. These are my spill stoppers, and they are the best thing I've ever purchased in my entire life. All you do is put them over a pot of boiling water, pasta, or soup, and these things will take care of any boiling over or splatter. It's a beautiful thing. Stuff you actually need, part 25. This is a butter knife, and it's amazing for 2 reasons. The first is that it has these serrated edges, so it makes it really easy to spread butter. The second is that it's designed to heat up from your body heat. So now anytime you get cold butter out of the fridge, you're not gonna have to wait for it to warm up. It's just so amazing. Stuff you actually need, part 24. This is my rapid ramen cooker, and it is by far the best way to make ramen noodles. All you do is put your ramen in, fill the water up to that line, and then put it in your microwave for 3 minutes. This thing has over 4,000 reviews on Amazon. It was created by a guy that was on Shark Tank, and it just makes cooking ramen so much easier. It's seriously better than making it on a stove, and trust me, I've eaten a lot of ramen in my day. Stuff you actually need, part 18. This is my popcorn maker, and it is by far the best way to make popcorn at home. All you do is fill up the lid to this line, that way it gets measured out properly. And then you put butter right here in the top. Put it in for about 1:45, and now you got the most amazing at-home popcorn. Stuff you actually need, part 16. This is my at-home electric s'mores maker, and it's perfect for making s'mores at home electrically. All you do is plug it in, turn it on. It comes with these great little marshmallow sticks. Now you just roast your marshmallows, put it together, and you've got s'mores indoors. Stuff you actually need, part 13. This is the new magic ring that I found off Amazon, and it's basically the new fidget spinner. It's made from titanium, so it's super strong, but it's also designed to help you focus and think better. There's a lot of stuff that you can do with it, but honestly, I could just do this for hours. It feels so cool. Stuff you actually need, part 10. I was making a burrito the other day, and I was like, huh, that looks nice. So I hopped on Amazon, and I found a burrito blanket. It got here 2 days later, and it is so soft. I'm living out my ultimate dream right now. Stuff you actually need, part 3. I have a 2-year-old, so as you can imagine, my car gets pretty messy. So I found this detailing gel on Amazon, and it is amazing. It helps get rid of dust, crumbs. All you do is just roll it where the dust is at, and it cleans it right up. It's super satisfying and honestly really fun. It makes me want to find more dust in my car. Stuff you actually need, part 2. This right here is the ultimate nose hair plucker. Got it a while back for a gift, I think for 2 reasons. 1, because it's funny. 2, because it actually works. You hold it like this, you stick it up your nose, the little spring clamps around the hair, and then you pull it out. Go fast, because if it goes slow, it'll make you cry.